We've all heard the advice, silence is powerful. But what if I told you there's something even more powerful than silence? What if you could make your presence magnetic without uttering a word? Controlled visibility. The power of showing up at the right moment, in the right way, and for the right reasons. It's a strategy used by the great Stoics, and today you'll learn how to wield it like a weapon. Seneca said, "It is not the length of life, but the depth of life." Why silence isn't enough. Silence can be a tool, but it's passive. To truly control your destiny, you need to actively shape your presence. That's where controlled visibility comes in. The Stoics understood that life isn't just about avoiding wrong actions. It's about making deliberate, calculated choices that speak louder than words. What does controlled visibility look like? It's about creating impact with every action, knowing when to step forward and when to step back, and making your presence felt without chasing it. In this video, we'll cover 1. How purposeful presence gives you the upper hand in every situation. 2. Why contrast makes your actions irresistible to others. 3. How self-mastery fuels long-lasting influence. 4. The secrets to combining Stoic wisdom and dark psychology for ultimate power. 7 steps to mastering controlled visibility. Number 1. Make your presence matter. The first principle is simple. Make your presence matter. A Stoic man doesn't just show up. He arrives with purpose. To be truly magnetic, focus on what you give, not what you take. Every action, every word, every move should serve your mission. Women, people, and even the world respect those who embody a sense of purpose. They gravitate toward those who don't need them, but instead have something to offer. 2. Master the art of contrast. Without contrast, visibility is meaningless. It's like trying to see a single star in a sky full of clouds. To make your presence undeniable, you must create contrast. This is where Stoicism comes in. By maintaining emotional control, you set yourself apart. You respond thoughtfully instead of reacting impulsively. Instead of needing attention, you command it without chasing it. This is a contrast in action. 3. Build unshakable self-mastery. Self-mastery is the cornerstone of controlled visibility. If you can't control yourself, you can't control how the world perceives you. Every great Stoic, Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, Seneca, knew that the key to power lies within. By mastering your emotions, your responses, and your desires, you create a powerful presence that demands respect. It's not about showing off. It's about becoming something people can't ignore. 4. Be unpredictable, but always controlled. The most dangerous thing is predictability. If people always know what you'll do, they stop paying attention. Controlled visibility thrives on unpredictability. This doesn't mean being chaotic or reckless. It means knowing when to act and when to withdraw. When you make your next move, make sure it's a strategic shift that keeps everyone guessing in awe of your next step. 5. The art of silence. In action. Silence in the Stoic tradition is not about being mute. It's about using silence as a tool. When you step back and allow things to unfold, you show the world that you don't need to chase. It's the kind of silence that speaks volumes. It shows confidence, self-reliance, and strength. By choosing when to speak and when to be silent, you create mystery and attraction. 6. Let your actions speak louder than words. Controlled visibility requires action. You don't wait for the world to notice you. You create the circumstances where they have no choice but to notice. Instead of empty words or trying to win approval, focus on creating value. Let your actions speak louder than your words ever could. People are drawn to those who take action with purpose. 7. The power of presence in a world full of noise. In a world full of distractions, the man who knows when to be present and when to be invisible holds the most power. It's not about shouting to be heard. It's about quietly claiming space and letting the world come to you. The Stoics understood that to achieve greatness, you must remain focused and grounded amidst the chaos. By keeping your cool and being deliberate, you develop an influence that can't be matched. How to start using controlled visibility. Today, to apply these principles, start by making small, deliberate changes in how you interact with the world. 1. Be purpose-driven. Align your actions with your mission. 2. Embrace silence strategically. Use it to create space for impact. 3. Focus on self-mastery. Make sure you're in control of yourself before trying to control anything else. 4. Be unpredictable, but in a calculated way. Keep people on their toes by showing them you can't be boxed in. 5. Create value with action, not words. Let your results speak for themselves. Epictetus said, "Freedom is the only worthy goal in life. It is won by disregarding things that lie beyond our control." Stoicism teaches us that power lies within us. When you master yourself, you no longer need to chase attention or approval. Instead, you learn how to control your presence in such a way that it commands respect. By combining Stoic wisdom with the power of controlled visibility, you will create an impactful legacy, one that will last long after you're gone. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share for more powerful Stoic lessons.